Many Idaho homeowners do not realize how complex an insurance claim can be, or that they actually have help available to help them navigate the process. Public adjusters like Rhonda Sheets, Idaho's first resident public adjuster in Idaho, and owner Christy Bird are licensed professionals who work for homeowners, not insurance companies. Christy's actually here today to guide us through the process and how they offer an affordable alternative to hiring an attorney. So I have to admit, I know this is your second time here on the show. The first time I was just really shocked to find out that this is even an option, and why didn't I know about this sooner? All right, so let's one more time remind everybody who you work for.
You bet. So I work for Northwest Public Adjusting.
Okay, Northwest Public Adjusting. All right, and what kind of settlements do you make? Help us understand the type of work that you guys do.
The type of work we do. We work with homeowners and business owners. So anyone who has a policy with their insurance company, that's who we can help.
Okay, so you're working with the people.
Yes.
Not the insurance
Yes,
company.
you got it.
Okay.
Right on.
All right,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
And what is a benefit, though, of working with a public adjuster? Help us understand how this process is different than if someone were just to file a claim through an insurance company.
Right, absolutely. So one of the main key things is that they're going to get a higher, more accurate settlement.
Okay.
They are, so let me put it this way. If a client is, they're not our client yet.
Yes.
And so, for example, we had this loss earlier this year, and it was a home that exploded in Meridian.
Oh.
And the family fortunately was safe. They all got out safely, but the home was totaled. It was destroyed. And so they were given an opportunity to settle for a cash value from their insurance company. They came to us and said, should we do that? And we said, no, don't do that.
Okay.
It's too low. We knew we could get more out of their policy. So we're so glad that they let us work with them, and we were able to double that offer.
No kidding, you doubled it.
We did.
Oh my goodness. All right, so what's the difference, though, of working with a public adjuster versus a lawyer? Help us understand how where the difference is between the two.
So we're cheaper.
Oh, great. We like the sound of that. Okay.
So we're 10%. Lawyers are often 33 1/3%.
Yeah.
And so we're cheaper. We are certified. This is a really important part to share as well.
Yeah.
My partner, Rhonda Sheets, who couldn't be here today, was the first person to bring public adjusting to Idaho in 2008. So she is our founder. And she made this possible. So she's from California, and in California, public adjusters are so well known.
Yeah.
It's just common. But in Idaho, they're not. And so she brought that with her from California to Idaho, and she went before legislation twice. And she was able to get the bill passed to have public adjusting recognized. The first time they said, no, we don't think so. The second time she said, you mean to tell me that the good citizens of Idaho don't have representation? They said, we need to do that. They need to be represented so that the client doesn't have to work alone. It's so stressful. They've lost their home, they've lost their business, their belongings. And so with all of that, they need someone on their side to support them through the whole process, and that's what we do. So we take the hassle out of it, we take the phone calls, we do the documentation, we do the negotiation for them, we know the policy, and that's really where it's at, is that the insurance company is representing their business.
Yes, they are. Yep.
The public adjuster is representing their policy.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so well said.
Thank you.
Okay, all right. So where do our viewers go then so they can reach you, find out more about your services, and also have you help them to make sure that they're getting the most out of the insurance that they are already paying for?
Exactly. So you can go to northwestpublicadjusting.com, and our information is there, explains our services, and we'd be happy to help you through the process.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And thank you for, upholding this service here in our state. It's so essential and so important.
It really is.
Yes. All right. Everyone stick around because we have more to come right here on Idaho Today right after the break.